If you wondered how to transform your digital creation into a steady stream of income, whether you are a designer, writer, or educator, Payhip offers a seamless platform to sell your digital products and reach a global audience. Imagine earning money while you sleep with your ebooks, courses, and digital ads flying off the virtual shelves. Join me as we dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your Payhip store, creating a irresistible products, and implementing marketing strategies that convert. Get ready to unleash your potential and watch your digital empire grow. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payhip.com. As you can see, this is the home page. This is the website if you want to sign up. So we have here features. So we have digital downloads, online courses, coaching, memberships, physical products. I will grow. We have store there, payments, foreign taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. We have also teams, customers, pricing, blog, marketplace. So we have also here sell digital dollars, courses, coaching, and more from one simple platforms. So it's now about pricing. First, you have simple pricing is starting now, no credit cards required. Sign up for free. So for sure is free forever. All features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue. So all you have to do is write your email here to sign up. Then this is your first name. As you can see, you write your first name, last name, your email, choose password, and create an account. If you have an account, all you have to do is log in to find your account. As you can see, so this is the home page. As you can see, we have your dashboard, products, have your add products, add your first products, about store. As you can see, we have launched your store, so published version is up to date with the draft version. Blog posts, add the new projects, domains. We have connect your own domains to Payhip store, connect existing domain, and we have also analytics here. Analytics for all products. You can select the products if you have first product and you select journey. Then you have your daily viewers, daily sales, and top 10 visitor sources and other information. And visits maps. We have also here marketing, front sale, affiliates, mailing lists, cross-selling, upgrade, more. Then we have here customers, review all purchases, learn more about your customers and keep them updated. We have here customers, subscribers. Also you can write your email address and search email updates, sales reports, followers, and finally here we have notification and account. You can have your settings, store folder, video library, explore, marketplace, and lookout. So let's back to the dashboard. So welcome to Payhip. You have taken the first step to sharing your work with the world. Take a few more things off your to-do list and keep up the momentum. So we have here 4 steps. The first step is done, is sign up and live, and this is the home page. So first of all you have to do is add your first step, set up checkout, and customize store design is finally. So all you have to do right now is click over store and click over launch your store. Please add your first product before customizing your store design. You click over add first product. You have your type product. You have to select a product type. Digital products, sell ebooks, software and other files, cars, sell your cars, membership, look exclusive, content behind the paywall, physical products, sell clouds and other physical goods, coaching service, sell your coaching service, bundle, have bundle multiple products for sale. So we select the first one. As you can see here we have add new digital products to start selling, upload products, files, then enter the price, cover, image, and description. So all you have to do is click over here to upload product file. You can also write the title. So you can choose the price. So choose title, product house. So if you want to upload a product image, all you have to do is dive into canva.com. I have an account here. So all you have to do is create an account. So we click over customize size and click over 1920 and write your products, for example, houses. As you can see, you can select the one you want. For example, I will select this one. So you can see, you can tell it a lot of things like title, address, links, and you can modify the background, color, position, and you can add page, add comment, quick actions. Also you have your notes, duration, timer. Also great view, present full screen, and other things. And you can modify the image and share it. So let's come back here. So if you upload a product image, for now all I have to do is add description. A great descriptions can attract people, so all you have to do is search on ChatGPT about a great descriptions. So brief description of houses. Then you copy the description and paste it here. Here we have visibility. Should your store visitors be able to see these products? Visible, everyone can see this product, nobody except you can see this product, only people who know the direct link to this product. So for sure, if you wanna sell products, all you have to do is choose the number one. Then you add products, and the first step is that. Then we have here second one is customize design. You can modify design, you can do it later, but all you have to do is click over here and customize design and modify a lot of things if you want your product being attractive. Finally, we have setup checkout. All you have to do is click over here, have your store payment details, billing, and invoices, taxes, shipping, advanced settings, login settings, and developer. So all you have to do is choose one of these options. We have first people account. Please log in securely with PayPal below to start accepting payments. You can just link PayPal account. Second one, you have Stripe account. To get started with Stripe payments, click the button below. Accept payments with Stripe. You can also default currency. You can select the one you want, or the one you need, or the one you have. Will appear on statement description. Will appear on your customer's bank statement. They should organize it here. Then you enter statement descriptions. Then you finished adding your settings, save settings. So the last one is done, and you start selling products. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.